What's going on, guys? My name is Molina, and I'm one of the educators here at Empire IX. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to access the academies. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your back office. So you want to go to ixacademy.us and log in using the credentials you signed up with. Okay, this is going to be your IX Global back office. Okay, now accessing your back office can be done on both your mobile and desktop device. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to access the academies on your desktop device, as that is preferred by most. So once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. And what you want to do is you want to open up the left-hand menu and select Academy. Then it's going to bring down a drop-down menu and you want to select training programs. Once you've already enrolled in courses, you then can select subscribed courses instead to access all the courses you've already enrolled in. But if you have not done that yet, go ahead and select training programs to get access to all of the courses here at IX Global. And here on this page, this is where you will see all of the courses available to you at IX Global, and these are going to be your academies. So please find the course of your choice to be able to enroll in. Okay, so for easier access to the Empire X courses, select the Empire X box on the left side in the filter menu, and then come down and select filter at the bottom, and you will see the 4 Empire IX academies. Now that you have found the course that you want to enroll in, let's go ahead and do so. So to enroll into a course, the first thing you want to do is you want to select more details at the bottom of the course of your choice. Then on the next page, you'll see the course details page, and you want to go ahead and select enroll now. And congratulations, you are now enrolled into your course. Now you get to simply watch each video, take notes, and move on to the next, and go through the entire course to grow your knowledge. Each course is organized into modules and chapters. So as you guys see here on Empire X, there's the freshman level module. As you click that, you'll get a drop-down menu and you will see each video within the freshman level module. And the same thing is for the sophomore, junior, etc. You can enroll into any course at any time, and your progress of each will be tracked as you go along. And so not only does Empire X have 4 courses, we also have grade level quizzes correlated to the Master Trader University. Okay, so once you're going through the Empire X Master Trader University and you're watching those freshman level videos, once you complete all of the freshman level module, you then can come here and be able to take the freshman level quiz that is correlated with that and be able to test yourself on what you just watched. Okay, so to access the quizzes, guys, what you want to do is go back to the left-hand menu, select Academy, and in that drop-down menu, this time you want to select Test Your Skills. This is where you will see all of the quizzes at IX Global, including the 4 Empire X quizzes from freshman through senior level. And just to repeat myself one more time, once you go through and you complete all freshman level videos, come here, take the 15-question freshman level quiz, pass with an 80% or higher, and then move on to the sophomore level videos, and then come back, take the sophomore level quiz, then the junior videos, then the junior quiz, etc., right, until you complete the course and fully pass the Master Trader University, both videos and quizzes. This is what we encourage all of you guys to do so you guys can really take advantage of your education and be able to learn the best way possible. And in addition to our Empire X courses in the back office, along with the quizzes, we actually have more Empire IX quizzes on the IX Global app. So the first thing you want to do is open the IX Global app and log in. Okay, and if you guys need help logging in, please watch the volume 1 navigating the IX Global app if needed. The second thing you want to do is go ahead and select the second leftmost tab on the bottom to open up the IX Academy page. Then select the IX Financial tab at the top of your screen. Then you want to go ahead and select the Empire X Trading University module. Then go ahead and select the module of your choice to watch the video and take the short 3-question quiz. Now, all of these videos here in this module are the exact same as the ones in the back office. However, the quizzes are different. These are quick little 3-question quizzes based on each video to help you guys really test yourself as you watch the videos. So when you come here and you watch video 1 of the freshman level, right below it, you guys will see 3 quick little quiz questions to really test yourself on that short video and be able to really understand each video now in depth. And so we encourage you guys to either come back after you completed the back office academy to test yourself a little bit more with these quizzes, or you can also take these quizzes as you move along through the back office academies and take these before you take the grade level quiz. Whichever way you guys think that you will learn the best, we encourage you to do so and take full advantage of all the Empire X resources in your back office and on the IX Global app. And so with that being said, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys need more assistance, please refer back to this video or reach out to your upline and they can help you. I hope you guys got a lot of value of how to access the Empire X Academies, both in your back office and on the IX Global app. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.